welcome back to Brother and Sisters Learning Workshop with me, Udian, and my sister, Sienna.
Hi everyone, it's me, Sienna.
So this is episode 16 out of 50 video series on our channel, which we're doing. We're learning about each of the 50 states of the USA. So today is Kansas. Are you ready?
I am extremely ready.
Okay, so let's get started.
Yee!
Okay, so now for the side segment of this video. As you know, today we're learning about Kansas. About Kansas. Kansas is a state in the Midwestern United States. Its capital is Topeka, and its largest city is Wichita. Kansas is bordered by Nebraska to the north, Missouri to the east, Oklahoma to the south, and Colorado to the west. More about Kansas. The capital of Kansas is Topeka. The population of Kansas is approximately 3 million people. This is the flag of Kansas, and this is where it's located on the U.S. map. State bird, flower, and animal. The state flower of Kansas is the sunflower. Here's a picture. The state bird of Kansas is the western meadowlark. This is a picture. The state animal of Kansas is the American buffalo, and here's a picture of it. 5 fun facts about Kansas. Kansas has so many tornadoes. It has the nickname Tornado Alley. Kansas is the home of Dorothy from the famous Wizard of Oz. Number 3, the state song of Kansas is Home on the Range. 4, Smith County is the center of the 48 contiguous United States. Number 5, Kansas was named after the Kansa Native Americans. Places to visit at Kansas. Number 1, Oz Museum. On the banks of the Kansas River is the small city of Wamego. However, don't let the size of Wamego fool you. It is home to one of the most fascinating attractions in the state. Wamego is where you'll find the Oz Museum, a museum devoted to all things Wizard of Oz. Within the collection, you can view the original books, modern collectibles, and memorabilia from the iconic movie. Some of the more unusual and unexpected artifacts include the original silent films, which can be watched on site, as well as the ruby slippers covered in thousands of Swarovski crystals. Places to visit in Kansas. Number 2, Cosmospheres. Located in the city of Hutchinson is the Kansas City Cosmosphere and Space Center, better known as simply the Cosmosphere. This is the second largest space museum on the planet, and it's packed with fascinating attractions and exhibits. In the Cary Digital Dome Theater, you can watch movies and space exploration on a 2-story domed screen. You can also watch a performance of Dr. Goddard's lab, which takes viewers back to the 1930s when rocketry was just developing as a field. Cosmosphere's Hall of Space Museum is the largest collection of Russian and American space artifacts anywhere in the world, and you can even see and touch real spacecraft. Places to visit in Kansas. Number 3, Wichita. Wichita may not be the state capital, but it is the largest city in Kansas. Nicknamed the air capital of the world, Wichita is home to several aerospace companies, as well as the Kansas Aviation Museum. One of the city's biggest family-friendly attractions is the Sedgwick County Zoo, an enormous collection of more than 2,500 animals. While in Wichita, make time to stroll through Old Town on foot. Old Town has recently been revitalized and is now a fantastic collection of museums, shops, and restaurants, and is conveniently pedestrian-friendly. So now for the question segment of this video. Me, Udian, will be asking my sister Sienna 5 questions about what we've learned today in the slides I've created. So let's see how smart of a sister I really have. Okay, so now for the question part of this video. You ready?
I am super ready.
Okay, let's go to questions with Sienna. Number 1, what is the largest city in Kansas?
Wichita?
Good job. What is the capital of Kansas?
Topeka.
Nice.
Sorry.
It's okay. Number 3, what is the state flower?
We actually have this one in our house. It's a sunflower.
Good job. What is the state animal of Kansas?
Buffalo.
Good job, the American buffalo. Number 5, what is the nickname of Kansas?
Some people might get scared of the word, and the storm. But it is Tornado Alley.
Yes, it is the Tornado Alley because it is the center of the USA. It is where most tornadoes are seen. I'm pretty sure there's a book and movie called Tornado Alley. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell so you get a notification on our next video. Remember to
like, share, and comment.
And remember to always keep your brains moving.
Brains moving.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.